Howdy, Cowboy Clay here. Today's adventure walk, we're going to do a pub walk, or a pub crawl as we call them in the States. Got some of the most famous pubs here in London. But I did get here early because there's one thing I haven't got to see yet. And we're right by it. So St. Paul's Cathedral. So let's I don't think we're gonna be able to go in or anything like that. We don't have time, but we could just walk around and see the yards and the sights, some of the architecture, you know. Paul's Cross. On this point of ground stood of old Paul's Cross. Oh wow. Place is huge, man, huge. I'm guessing this is the front of St. Paul's Cathedral. I think we should do a lap around. That is John Wesley. I had 2 tours booked yesterday, and I woke up and I felt like crap. So I stayed in my hotel room all day and rested. I think it was just some dehydration, combination of being in the sun for 3 or 4 days in a row, all day long. Probably didn't drink enough water. Drank a little bit of alcohol at the concert, but not a whole lot. Had like 2 drinks, so I wasn't hungover. Wow, here's a gate. I'm gonna see what's at this card here. We've got about 45 minutes till we gotta be to our pub tour. We will be drinking alcohol on that. We got strawberries. Huh. Wanted some water, but I don't see any. Let's go to the next one. Oh, so this is the front of St. Paul's, not where we were. Of course, there's Five Guys. I had Five Guys my first night in London. How bad is that? Alright, let's see if we can get a view of the front of this cathedral. Maybe after the tour we can get a ticket and go in. I don't know, I might be buzzed after the pub walk. Oh wow. Wow, man, this is huge. I wonder if I can get a ticket and just go in there for like 30 minutes. This is a replica of the statue of Queen Anne. I wonder what happened to the first one. A lot of things got bombed in World War II, man. Wow, let's go see if we can go in. Okay, at the cookie shop, I can get some water. All right, let's see if we can go in. Well, we got in free of charge. You could check it out. You could even go to Mass. Today is Sunday. Very cool. Pipe organ going. Beautiful inside. Of course, no photography or video allowed, as most places here in England. Got the Soho coffee. He was looking for a place called Lee Hoo Fook's. Gonna get a big. All right, here's the entrance for the to get into the rotunda. But it said you had to climb like 200 steps or something, and I'm not up for that today. We're gonna do a lap around it, and then we're gonna go meet our tour. Never know what you're gonna run into in a big city. Just came around the corner to use a toilet, as they're called. Ran right into a basketball facility. London 3-on-3. 3-on-3 is an Olympic sport now. Pretty cool. Know what that is for? Looks like the Statue of Liberty at the torch. It's a neat little area right here just to hang. Got a bar. Could get lit if you want. Little travel thing. Got some candy. All right, we got to. Okay, now I know where I'm at. Paternoster Square. The Corinthian column of Portland stone topped by gold leaf flaming copper. The flame is a memorial to the two great fires affecting the cathedral. The Great Fire of London in 1666 and the Blitz of World War II. And St. Paul's made it through. Of course, there's a Starbucks. Gotta have that. All right, I gotta find out my meeting place. All right, this is our group. We're headed for our first meeting here with our tour guide. It's gonna be right over by where I saw the basketball earlier.
Go back to 6th century London. That's a wooden cathedral shaped like a cross. Big tall spire. Because it's made of wood, highly flammable. So it burns down in 1315.
All right, here's our first pub stop. The Cockpit. There's the cock. We're on our way to our second pub. That's a City Heritage Award. All right, we're still on our way to the second pub. The buildings are amazing here, how old they are. It's like every corner you go around, you just got old buildings.
the printing press to London, from Johannes Gutenberg in Germany, via Winking de Word, who is his Dutch counterpart. It's got to follow, a line through Germany and Netherlands to get to England. William Caxton sets up the first printing press. Fleet Street very quickly becomes synonymous with the printing press of England and therefore the Great British Empire.
Well, I want to take a picture of it. We'll get behind Clay here and get the same picture.
You got it. All right, we're at the Old Bell.
So St. Bride's is the one that looks like a wedding cake. Yeah.
For anyone who's also not familiar with the British delicacy, pork scratching as well. This is like pork rinds, but rather than being like crispy all the way through, you get like real
Freemasons.
delicious fat in the middle. Which when you're having a couple of drinks goes down quite well. The vegetarians not so good for that.
Got a lot of ciders here.
Yeah, bitters could be like a coffee and lighter.
We did quite a few.
This is the front side. We went through the alley. All right, we're on our way to our third pub now.
A little bit confident inspiring that you have to put a sign up and send work instructions. Trust me.
We're not going to the old Cheshire cheese. Oh, maybe we are.
So on the evening tours you get Germans, French, Spanish. So it would be nice to pay for glass to replace the Victorian era if you want to have privacy. So they get Victorians and your white pockets. They get smashed.
Supposedly the most famous pub in London. Yeah. All right, we're heading to our fourth and final pub.
Alright folks, have it one final time. We've now crossed over into the city of Westminster. We go up the road towards Covent Garden and hits the mania that is the West End. Theatre districts, bars, cafes, restaurants, all of your nightlife needs on a dozy Sunday afternoon. But I'm going to talk about a few things here briefly before we go to our last pub. You've got the Royal Courts of Justice, not the criminal courts of London. And they were actually close to the start point. The Royal Courts, where they deal mainly with a lot of diplomatic and national and court-grade civil court issues. Things like Brexit, Britain leaving the European
Here it is, the last pub. All right, the George, that was our last stop. Had a great time. We're gonna hit the train, get back to my neighborhood, which is Hyde Park area. Man, the architecture here. See all the black? That was from the cold days. The pollution here was awful back in those days. All right, we'll check in a little while. I don't know what this street's called, but it sure is cool. Beautiful, beautiful. To the friendship of English-speaking people. I don't know what this building is. If you know, leave a comment below. It sure is beautiful. Right there's the Peacock Theater. A lot of good musical goes on there. All right, we're heading down into the Tube. Gonna make our way back to Queensway. The Tube. All right, we're back home. Queensway. This has been my home away from home for the last 6 days and nights. I really like it. It's kind of cool. We got to find somewhere to eat though. I think we're going to go to the pub. All right, well, I think we're going to call it a day here. It's been a long day. We're going to get some dinner and then go to sleep, and then we fly out tomorrow. It's my last day in London. So happy trails, everybody.